These are Hi-Fi wireless earphones. That's what the box says. I bought these, I don't know when, it's been a while, like 7 or 8 years ago, maybe. From, I think from Gumtree or Facebook, maybe. I'm not sure, don't remember, it's been a while. Yeah, one was listed for $5. So I thought, this is interesting. Let me grab it. So I went to buy the one for $5. Then when I knew that they have a big pile of them, I ended up buying everything for I think $3 each. And since they are been in the garage and never used them, never tested them, tried to sell them $5 each, but they are useless. So let's see what the specs are. It's a Hi-Fi wireless earphone, electronic frequency selecting radio receiver, assembly wireless headphone, 360 RF cordless Hi-Fi digital sound. And this is more stuff here if you want to read. I'm not gonna read all this. 888, I think this is the model number by the look of it. And more stuff here if you wanna have a read and have a laugh. 2 AAA batteries, and yeah, rare wireless headphones. Imported chip and core technology. Anyways, let's open it and see what's inside. You get the headset and the receiver. Oops, the receiver fell off. This is the headset. It's just regular FM radio. So you can use this as a FM radio by itself, or you can use it with the transmitter. This is the transmitter. Also 2 AAA batteries, on off switch here, audio input, and LED with a small telescopic antenna. So it comes with this cable, so you insert this here, and this goes to your MP3 player or mobile phone if your mobile phone still have audio jack. And this is you have also RCA. So since we have one RCA here, so I think it's mono. Of course it's mono because of the transmitter. It's very cheap. Transmitter is probably mono. And this is the FM. Where's the on switch? This is the on off switch. And volume. And we have also user manual or instruction sheet. Let's test it, and then I will take this apart and see the circuit board. Nothing. Okay, I replace the batteries. This one are better. And we have audio. Reception is very bad. Okay, so it works, but reception is horrible. Maybe you should test the transmitter as well. It's on already. And we need audio source. Okay, so switch it on, and we have audio here. So now it should work. No, that's not it. Yeah, it's crap. The transmitter doesn't work. Well, maybe it works, but the receiver is crap. Excuse the language. So now let's just take this apart and see the circuit board, and maybe use this just as an FM radio, even though the reception is bad. Okay, I got them out of the boxes. Here are the FM receivers, the transmitters, and the cables. So I will see what to do with them. First, I need to get rid of this big pile of mess, and we'll turn down one of these. So this is it, 2 transistors and some RF components. Should I reverse engineer it or not worth it?